The fear we all know. Imagine this. Someone tells you, hey, either walk barefoot on burning hot road or go chat with a bunch of total strangers. Which one would you pick? Yeah, I can already see you throwing your shoes off and sprinting onto the asphalt. And honestly, I don't blame you. Starting conversations feels like jumping off a cliff with no parachute. But guess what? Today, we're breaking that fear into tiny little pieces, so small you'll be sliding into conversations like a pro and loving every second of it. Ready to go from awkward silence to life of the party? Let's dive in. Why talking to people feels so scary. Okay, real talk. Why does chatting with strangers feel like defusing a bomb? Blindfolded. Two little gremlins and overthinking. You stand there, sweating bullets, brain screaming, what if I say something dumb? What if they laugh at me? What if I forget how to words? Meanwhile, your mind flashes back to every embarrassing moment you've ever had since kindergarten. But here's the truth bomb. Everybody else is just as nervous. That dude looking confident, he's probably wondering if there's spinach stuck in his teeth. That girl laughing with her friends, she's replaying what she said, praying she didn't sound dumb. Reality check. People are way too busy worrying about themselves to be judging you. Flip your mindset. You're not on trial. Here's the golden shift. Talking to people isn't a performance. It's just two humans swapping stories, laughs, and a little bit of life. If someone is super judgmental, that's not on you. That's their own weird energy. You're not auditioning. You're just connecting. When you realize most people are rooting for you to succeed, the fear shrinks, the fun starts. How to actually start a conversation. All right, time for action. How do you start talking without freezing up? Here are 3 easy ways. Compliment something real. Hey, cool shoes. Where'd you get them? People love a genuine compliment. Ask a light question. First time here, or what brings you here? Super easy, no pressure. Comment on the environment. This place is packed. Or man, the weather today is wild, huh? Giving a thumbs up compliment, the other one lighting up with a big smile. Remember, you're just opening the door. You don't have to barge in with a full TED talk. Keep the conversation flowing and actually enjoy it. Okay, you've started talking. Now what? Here's the secret sauce. Listen more than you talk. People love being listened to. Nod, smile, react. Show you're really there. Ask follow-up questions. Oh, you play guitar? That's awesome. How long have you been playing? Share little bits about yourself. Drop fun facts like breadcrumbs, but don't dominate the convo. One listening carefully with big ears and the other one excitedly talking. Bonus tip. If the vibe feels off, it's okay to gracefully exit. Not every conversation will be magic. That's normal. Talking to people doesn't have to feel like walking on lava anymore. It's just two imperfect humans figuring it out together. So next time you feel that anxiety creeping in, smile, say hi, crack a joke, because you, my friend, are way more capable than you think. Now get out there and make some awesome conversations happen.